A few weeks ago, I had one of those moments every drone creator dreads. I came back from an amazing flight after capturing some incredible sunrise footage. Everything looked perfect. So I packed up, came home, inserted the SD card into my computer, and suddenly, the card wasn't behaving normally. Whether it's an accidental format, corrupted files, or simply clicking the wrong button, every creator knows that sinking feeling when your footage seems to disappear. And with drones, it's even worse, because you can't always go back and recreate the shot. Weather changes, lighting changes, batteries drain, travel costs money, and sometimes that moment is simply gone forever. That's why today's video is sponsored by Wondershare recoverit. Instead of just talking about it, I wanted to test whether it can actually recover drone footage from an SD card the way most of us would need it in a real-world situation. If you're anything like me, your drone SD cards aren't just full of random clips. They're filled with 4K and 5.7K videos, D-log footage, photos, client work, travel memories, and shots you've spent hours planning. Losing that isn't just losing storage, it's losing time and effort. The good thing is that recoverit is specifically designed for situations like these. It supports SD card recovery, formatted drives, external storage devices, and even camera-specific file formats from brands we actually use, including DJI drones, GoPro cameras, Canon, Sony, Nikon, and many others. So let's see if it really works. The process is surprisingly straightforward. After installing recoverit, I connected the SD card through my card reader, and the software immediately detected it. Instead of throwing complicated technical menus at you, it simply shows all connected drives and storage devices. I selected the SD card and started the scan. At first, it performs a quick scan to find recently deleted files, but what impressed me more was the deep scan. It continues searching through every sector of the card looking for files that are no longer visible in the normal file system. If you've accidentally formatted your SD card before a trip home, or if your drone suddenly reports the card needs formatting, this is exactly the type of recovery process you want. While the scan was running, recoverit automatically started identifying different file types. Rather than showing thousands of random file names, it intelligently categorized videos, photos, documents, and other data, making everything much easier to browse. Since most drone creators end up with hundreds or even thousands of clips on a single card, this saves a lot of time. I could also filter results based on file type, which meant I didn't have to scroll endlessly looking for one particular flight. That's especially useful if you're trying to recover only your drone footage instead of everything stored on the card. Another feature I genuinely liked was the preview option. Before restoring anything, I could actually preview the recovered videos and photos to make sure they were the files I wanted. Anyone who's tried older recovery software knows how frustrating it is when you recover gigabytes of data only to find out the files are corrupted or not the ones you needed. Here you can check them first, then simply select what you want to recover. That makes the whole process much more efficient, especially if you're working with large drone projects. Recoverit also supports a huge range of professional formats. Whether you're shooting standard MP4 footage from a DJI Mini, higher bitrate files from an Air or Mavic series drone, action camera footage, raw photographs, or even professional camera files alongside your drone content, everything can be recovered in one place. For creators who mix drone footage with mirrorless cameras, that's a really practical advantage, because you're not switching between different recovery tools depending on the device. One thing worth mentioning is that data recovery isn't magic. The best chance of recovering your files is to stop using the SD card immediately after you realize something went wrong. If you continue recording new footage, those new files can overwrite the deleted data, making recovery much more difficult. So if you accidentally format a drone SD card, don't panic, but also don't keep flying with it. Remove the card, connect it to your computer, and run a recovery scan as soon as possible. Once the scan finished, I selected the footage I wanted, chose a different location on my computer for recovery, which is always recommended, and within a few moments the files were restored. Opening them up and seeing those drone clips back again is honestly a huge relief. Whether it's a travel video you've spent days filming, paid client footage, or just personal memories, getting those files back can save you from having to repeat an entire shoot, or from realizing you simply can't. As drone creators, we spend thousands of dollars on drones, batteries, ND filters, memory cards, and travel just to capture the perfect shot. But very few of us actually think about what happens if the SD card fails. That's why having a reliable recovery tool is something I now consider part of the workflow, just like carrying spare batteries or extra propellers. Hopefully you'll never need it, but if you do, you'll be glad it's there. So if you've ever accidentally deleted drone footage, formatted an SD card, or simply want a safety net for your future projects, Wondershare recoverit is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave the official link down in the description if you'd like to learn more. Thanks again to Wondershare recoverit for sponsoring today's video. And as always, fly safe, back up your footage whenever you can, and I'll see you in the next one.